Welcome to Khetz Tutorials, and in this video, I'll be doing question 65 from 1.5 exercises in James Stewart Calculus. So, we are asked to find the exact value of each of these. The first one basically asks, where is cosec square root of 2? So we're going to consult our cos diagram, remembering that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So in other words, sine is y over r, and its reciprocal will be r over y, basically. So this means that we're now looking for a place. You can either look for a place where sine is 1 over square root of 2, which is the reciprocal of this, or you can work it out in this way. I think this is much easier to work with because we can already find where that is, and it's much easier to interpret that form instead of switching it up from the get-go. So cosec is the reciprocal of sine, so we can just reciprocate the value which we're looking for and use sine as an answer because our unit circle is already optimized to give us cosine and sine. So let's rather look for where we have that, and the answer to this is quite simple. Pi over 4, your cosine is 1 over square root of 2, and your sine is also 1 over square root of 2, and that'll be your answer for the first question. It's pi over 4. And in the second one, this basically asks, where is your sine 1? And that's also one of the easier ones because it's part of the main point on the unit circle, and that's at this point at pi over 2 or 90 degrees. And that is where you have 0, 1. And that y is basically your sine, and you'd give that as your answer. So if you aren't familiar with the unit circle, just watch my video on the unit circle.